Hi, what's up again mga ka-junkies? So today is a weekend and we plan to go somewhere in Tanay Rizal. I tried to search sa mga Google Maps and stumbled to a place called Cielo Alto. It's like a cabin overlooking place kung saan may mga amenities din for children. So let's try to see if it's actually worth the vibe. So samahan nyo kami. Tara, let's go!
And welcome to Cielo Alto. And this is what it looks like pag-akit nyo sa taas. You'll see a couple of stores na sasalubong sa inyo. And you'll see the stunning view ng mga cabins kung saan mag-overnight kayo, mga bundok, and the clouds itself. The view is very spacious. You can actually see everything pag nandito ka sa taas. And as we go to the right, ito ang kanilang viewing area, which is katabi lang mismo ng restaurant. And dito makikita niyo yung bulinggit ko na excited. Halos tanghaling tapat na rin kami nakarating, kaya inabot na rin kami ng gutom. So we decided to have lunch. Ito nga pala yung kanilang restaurant sa loob is very spacious. As you can see, meron din silang singer that actually request songs. Ito naman ang mga in-order namin. Sinigang, pork ribs, tempura, at yung kung pao chicken. Overall, I think it's okay, but pwede pang ma-improve ang kanilang lasa. Here naman makikita niyo yung mga play area na parang pang carnival. You'll also see a playground para sa mga bulinggit ninyo. They also have machines na pwede nang lagyan ng 20 pesos if you want them to ride like this. Here naman, meron silang bump cart na worth 150 pesos for 10 minutes. I actually decided to give it a try. And yung go-kart nila dito na worth 300 pesos for 10 minutes. Kaya makikita na si Kuya, safe driving kasi nagpapapicture din sila. At kapag napagod ka naman, merong mabibila ng ice cream dito sa taas. May crepes, fries, and everything else. Ito naman ang kanilang mga room rates, just in case gusto nyo mag-booking ng overnight. Iba-ibang cabin, iba-ibang laman. Di ko lang na-mention, pero meron din silang stall para sa massage chairs. 100 for 10 minutes. At yung parking nila, napakaluwag, hindi kayo mawawalan. Don't forget yung mga food stalls like Potato Corner at Master Siomai. And at the end of the day, syempre gusto mo ng remembrance, mayroon din silang souvenir store and I bought myself one. Just make sure na hindi kayo pumunta pag mainit.
Hi again! Thank you so much for watching our video and joining us for the adventure. Piece of advice, if you're going to go to the place, please make sure na hindi siya tanghaling tapat. Doon po kami nagkamali at napakainit. Gusto niyo man na maglaro sa labas, I find it difficult to do so. Kung kayo naman ay magbubuk ng cabin and stay overnight, then I suggest that would be the best thing to do. Especially if you're going with a group of friends, you can actually do a bonfire sa gabi and pretty sure mas maganda yung mga photos, Instagrammable photos sa pwede nyo makuha sa gabi. So again, this is Z from The Hungry Joker. Again, thank you for liking and subscribing. Now signing out.